Hello friends, we welcome you in our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss that how we can enable the dark mode in WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger and YouTube and also in Facebook. So let's follow us and see this video to learn how we can do it. So this is our interface. Before switching to dark mode, we must ensure that we should have the latest version of WhatsApp. So I have installed the same. Now just see this video and learn that how you could enable the dark mode in WhatsApp. But firstly, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. So let's just see. First of all, you should open the WhatsApp. You can see that it is the original version of WhatsApp in the light mode. So you must go to setting. You can see the three dots there. Yes, this is the three dot. You have to tap on the settings, and after reaching the setting you can see the option of chats, accounts and then chats. So you should have to tap chat, and we can see that the first option is the theme. Here we have to tap. So you can see there is a dark mode and light mode both. So you have to select the dark mode and press OK. So now you can see that our WhatsApp is currently working in dark mode in this video. So in this way you can enable the dark mode in WhatsApp. In same way we can also enable the dark mode in our YouTube also. Firstly, I have to on the switch on the internet and just open the YouTube. So you should have the latest version of YouTube also, because all the apps are giving the features of dark mode nowadays. So you should have tapped the settings. First of all, setting. Now you can see the setting option here. Yes, this is the setting option. So tap on the setting and you will reach to the first option, and then tap the first option, that is general. Here you can see on the second option that there is a dark mode. So you should turn on this, and then yes, you can see it. We are in dark mode. This is the darkest mode. In the same way we can enable the dark mode in Facebook also, but we should have the Facebook Lite app for this, because the main version of Facebook do not give this feature to enable dark mode. So just open the Facebook Lite app, and you can see that we are in light mode, and there is three dots given on the right side of the screen. You can see that three dots which is given on the right side of the screen. After tapping there, you must scroll down, and then you can find the dark mode. Just switch it on, and after switching it on, just see we are in dark mode in Facebook Lite app, which we are currently using. So this is very simple way. In the same way we can also enable it in Facebook Messenger app. Just open the Facebook Messenger app, the latest version of Facebook Messenger app, and tap on it. You can see that we are in light mode in the Facebook Messenger app. It is very simple to enable dark mode in Facebook Messenger. First of all, just tap on the left hand side where our profile picture is being given. Just tap there, and after tapping there you can automatically reach to the dark mode option. Here you can see the dark mode option, which we have to turn on. After turning it on, you can see that I can use the dark mode in the Facebook Messenger app also. So if you like the video, then please subscribe our channel and share the video. Thank you.